This is just a quick video to demonstrate the use of a Python script to decode some Tableau TWB and TWBX files. Just a couple of comments to start off with. This is something that I developed using the Anaconda package for data science, which includes Python, Orange, GlueViz, just a lot of different utilities that are based in Python. It was developed in Python 2. And I've tried running it in Python 3. Some of the packages that I'm using are not compatible in the new version. So if you do run this, I'd recommend using it in version 2. You probably can modify and make some changes easily to get it to be compatible with 3. But for my purposes, this is a file I haven't extensively tested, but it's doing what I need it to do, which is essentially to open up a TWB or TWBX file and read the source of the file to provide information about calculated fields, the data sources, the dashboards, the reports that are actually created, or worksheets that are created in Tableau. It's helpful for documentation purposes. It saves me a lot of time in doing revision control. So I thought I would share it out there. It's a base. Feel free to take it, modify it, make it your own, customize the report to however you would like. So just as a quick introduction, if you have a TWBX file, which actually has the data within it, if you rename that file as a zip, you can actually open it up, and inside of it you should still have a TWB file. If you happen to be using just a TWB file itself without the data and you're using a live connection, this file really is just an XML based file. It has a lot of information about how you formatted the dashboards and reports, calculated fields and parameters, your data sources. A lot of really good information in here that you could take and put into a report for revision control. And so the program that I put together is just used in the Anaconda distribution from Continuum software that has a variety of different data science tools in it. So I'm using the iNotebook feature in here, and just have a script that I wrote to be able to, if you do Shift Enter to run this, there's basically a selection file window that comes up, and you can go in and find a TWB file, select the file, and then it will read the file and create a HTML output of some information about the file, such as the version information of the file, what build of Tableau it was, the platform and Tableau version, different data sources that you might have, different field names that were in the data source, both the field name and alias, as well as the data type. Also, if you have any calculations, it will show you, these are a lot of fields here, but it'll show you the last extract date. It'll show you the different dashboards that are in it, the different worksheets that were created, the different parameters that you've set up. It tells you what kind of parameters they are, the min-max value and the increments if they're ranged values. It'll show you also all of the different calculations and the formulas for the calculations. So this is very helpful as you're doing changes to very complex calculations to be able to have control of that. And the nice thing about this is it's in HTML format. You obviously save it as either a PDF. You can also just copy the whole thing and paste it into a Word document if you're doing your documentation. But simply, the easiest way to implement this would be to take the code that's provided, just download the Anaconda version of Python from Continuum IO, and then basically copy and paste this code in, hit Shift Enter, select your file, and you'll get your report. Again, just as a caveat to it, it's nothing that's been extensively tested. It's just a script for you to go ahead and use, and hopefully you'll find it useful and make some additional changes to it.